Please, I'll watch it tomorrow. And I'll send you my comments.
Take pictures. Just press. Go. Baby.
Do you know the funniest thing, Big Sam? He just wants to read about come here, come Paleni. Oh yeah, who said I can't know? So my son. Then become a picture.
So go put him out here. Touch.
No, the kitchen. No. Like
How are you?
I watch. I just came. You want to go and do record? Okay. There's no food.
Sorry.
You don't eat. Me too. I don't eat. I'm watching my eyes.
Sorry, your phone's on.
Let me just do small recap. I'll join you. Big Sam.
Let me touch the foot of my do my back like this.
I want to hear you.
Wonderful.
Let me show you what how I do.
Where's my mommy? My mommy is even here. How are you, Mama? Fine. You want to? I just come in here.
I'm not doing interview. I'll just snap for it.
Okay. No interview. Oh yeah. Linda, I'm having a house to you.
Shenda, no. Gainal.
I don't talk to me, eh? Come now, my best friend.
I'm not doing interview. How are you?
Big Star.
Your picture together. You can handle.
I'm here. Oh, big Sam. Thank you. We are coming. Wait, now we are still collecting more content.
Eniola máa kú nídìí o. No, Eniola kú. Ó náà ló máa kú. I hope you will not believe it.
I don't want people to think that we're not best friends. We are. We have such an important event coming up. You and I.
Yes, you are on fight over Sabianzi.
Yeah.
Besties, yes.
Besties, yeah, over Sabianzi, yeah.
Yes.
And let me tell you what's really good, right? Both of us, but then you know, whispering into
Our business. Yeah, we've been whispering to Auntie Iyabo here. You going for
yeah.
like that should be there for that.
Well, you look so beautiful tonight. And congratulations on your latest award. Well done. You do it all for you.
That's how we do.
That's it doesn't like I love it. Don't let the people think that they were laughing. But you know, we're supporting our revenue tonight. The king himself. One word to describe it. Woo! Okay, and Toyin, I'm going to ask you one more question. So remember this very excited as well. Okay, I have an open camera there. Say something to our revenue tonight. Anything.
Uncle RMD, I love you so much. You're one of the people that laid the foundation for people like us. So keep pushing. We can't tell you to keep pushing.
Because he has
We
pushed.
will push. We'll push the movie for you. I will support you because you've been very supportive and you're a legend, an icon. You're a father.
He is. Thank you so much, Auntie Toyin. I love you so much. You own me, but we'll talk about that off camera. What is it?
No, that's it. No, that's it.
Oh, my baby girl. I just love my girl. I love my baby. 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 Yummy. My love. What's up?
Me too. No, red carpet. Mo fẹ́ lọ nílé. Ẹ lọ jókòó sí ilé ìgbà
Okay, are you just... Full break. Full break. But I said, for my own good. I mean, know that it's his first movie. You know that he's going to be tough. Yeah. You love him. And I'm sure like and with me, it is ever good looking. And she looks young every time. And she's none other than Iyabo. Hello. Hi, man. Hello, how are you doing? I'm fine. It's all pearly. What's happening here? I don't know like this. Hi, man. So now you're here for radio voice. What excites you about this movie? It sounds like something new and fresh. I always like that. So that is special. Do you think that movies like this are impacting the Nollywood industry landscape? Odododo.